Consider the storefront at midnight. The shelves are stocked and the inventory is flawless, but the lights are dim and the register is silent. The owner has spent years perfecting a craft, offering a highly skilled service or a beautifully engineered product. But without foot traffic, that expertise sits behind a locked door, days away from bankruptcy. Today, foot traffic begins online. Capturing digital attention has become the prerequisite for getting a customer to walk through a physical door. Even the highest quality product remains useless if the market can't find it. Achieving that visibility requires a specific set of assets: high-performance SEO blogs, how-to guides, and optimized landing pages that rank in search results. These assets are expensive. Hiring the marketing talent capable of producing them often costs thousands of dollars every month. When an owner tries to bridge this gap alone, the results usually fail to rank. The writing often ends up as filler, content that search engines ignore. This creates a catch-22. You need a high-level marketing strategy to generate revenue, but you need that revenue to afford the strategy in the first place. This is the content trap. It keeps entrepreneurs locked inside the daily operations of the business, leaving them with no time to build the systems needed for growth. A potential way out of this trap is currently available on ChatGPT, hidden behind a simple prompt. It's a custom writing assistant called the Brandon Boushy AI Writer. This tool is distinct because of its training data. It was built using hundreds of published articles from Upflip and Brandon's personal business blogs. The system integrates documented SEO frameworks and the strict content planning guidelines used in professional publishing workflows. The AI functions as a targeted business system, engineered to replicate the editorial standards found in high-traffic publications. The process starts with a simple input. The user provides a topic, a keyword, or a basic outline of what they want to cover. The AI then applies a specific structural methodology to the draft, organizing the information into a hook, a story, and an offer. It enforces strict readability constraints. The language is kept at a 5th to 8th grade level, utilizing short paragraphs of just 1 to 3 sentences. To maintain reader engagement, the tool adds actionable steps, checklists, and supporting statistics. This chart shows the measurable impact of publishing content with this level of structural precision. Search engine traffic that was previously flatlined spikes as the content begins to rank. Using this framework provides a path out of digital obscurity, moving a business from total invisibility to measurable growth. In this new environment, the storefront is no longer silent. The workspace is active, scaling up to handle a steady flow of outgoing orders. The silence of the empty shop is replaced by a ringing phone and the logistics of managing new customer inquiries. The marketing system used to drive this change required no initial investment. The Brandon Boushy AI Writer is currently free to use for anyone with access to ChatGPT. For commercial use, the only requirement is a brief attribution note in the published blog stating it was created with assistance from the custom GPT. High-level marketing strategies are no longer locked behind a paywall. For an entrepreneur with a solid product, the tools to build an audience are now immediately accessible.